The Tesla Model 3 uses a 12-volt battery to power essential systems like lights, infotainment, and sensors. If this battery isn't charging, it's often due to a faulty DC-DC converter, a blown fuse, or a software glitch. We'll explore these issues and how to troubleshoot them. It's important to note that while the main battery is high voltage, 400 volt plus, the 12-volt system is crucial for vehicle operation. The DC-DC converter is key to charging the 12 volts battery. It converts the high voltage from the main battery pack to 12 volts DC. A failing DC-DC converter is a common cause of charging issues. Tesla's service bulletin, SB 24-12-002, recommended inspection and potential replacement of these converters in older models due to potential corrosion, especially in humid climates. Newer Model 3s, post-2023, have improved converters, reducing failure rates, but older models still require attention. A blown fuse in the low-voltage harness, often a 50-amp fuse, can interrupt the 12-volt battery charging process. Look for these symptoms that indicate a potential blown fuse: dimming headlights, an unresponsive touchscreen, or failure to start after charging. First, locate the fuse box in your Tesla Model 3. Consult your owner's manual for the exact position, usually under the hood or in the cabin. Once located, visually inspect the fuses. Look for any that appear broken, discolored, or damaged, particularly the 50A fuse in the low-voltage harness. If visual inspection is inconclusive, use a multimeter to test for continuity. Touch the probes to each end of the fuse. A good fuse shows continuity, beep or low resistance. Replacing a blown fuse, like this 50A fuse, may resolve the charging problem temporarily. However, if the fuse blows again, it indicates a more significant underlying issue that requires professional diagnosis. Tesla's service mode is a powerful diagnostic tool that lets you check and reset the low-voltage system in your Model 3. To access service mode, locate the Tesla T logo on your vehicle's touchscreen and tap it exactly 10 times in quick succession. Once in service mode, your touchscreen will display a diagnostic menu. This includes specific error codes that help identify issues, such as DC-DC fault indicating problems with the DC-DC converter, or 12 volts battery low, showing auxiliary battery issues. Service mode also provides options to attempt a system reset of the low-voltage components, which can sometimes resolve temporary glitches without professional intervention. Important: while service mode is a valuable diagnostic tool, it requires advanced technical knowledge to interpret results safely. Incorrect use could potentially void your vehicle's warranty, so consider consulting a certified Tesla technician for complex issues. Tesla often addresses 12-volt battery issues through over-the-air software updates. These updates can fix problems without needing to visit a service center. For example, the V12.5 firmware release included enhanced diagnostics specifically for the DC-DC converter, helping to identify and resolve charging issues remotely. To benefit from these fixes, always ensure your Model 3 has the latest software installed. Tesla regularly releases updates that address known issues. According to Tesla's data, a significant portion of 12-volt battery issues can be resolved through software updates alone. This makes checking for and installing updates the first troubleshooting step before considering hardware repairs. When dealing with Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery charging issues, you have two main options: do-it-yourself repairs or professional service. Let's explore the advantages and risks of each approach. Some straightforward repairs, such as replacing a blown fuse in the 12-volt system, can be safely handled by experienced DIY enthusiasts with basic tools and safety precautions. However, DIY repairs carry significant risks. Attempting complex fixes without proper training can void your vehicle's warranty, potentially cause additional electrical damage, and pose serious safety hazards due to the high-voltage systems in electric vehicles. Professional repairs offer several advantages. Certified Tesla technicians have the specialized knowledge and equipment needed for complex issues like DC-DC converter replacement, ensuring your warranty remains intact and safety protocols are strictly followed. The electrical systems in modern electric vehicles like the Tesla Model 3 are incredibly complex, with multiple interconnected components that require specialized knowledge to diagnose and repair safely. In summary, while simple tasks like fuse replacement might be suitable for DIY, any work involving the vehicle's high-voltage systems should be left to professionals. Remember, your safety and the vehicle's reliability are paramount. Let's examine some real-world examples of 12-volt battery issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. In 2024, a 2019 Model 3 owner in Florida reported persistent 12-volt battery drain following a hurricane. Corrosion damaged the DC-DC converter, causing the issue. Using service mode, they accessed the error code BMS12V fault and attempted a reset, but it failed. Tesla service replaced the converter under warranty, costing $800 in parts with labor covered. This case highlighted regional vulnerabilities in humid climates and prompted Tesla's 2024 upgrades for humidity resistance. In 2025, a viral YouTube tutorial by Tesla DIY with over 2 million views demonstrated DIY fuse replacement on a 2021 Model 3. The owner used a $50 fuse kit to bypass the DC-DC converter temporarily, allowing charging via the onboard charger. While it provided a short-term fix, Tesla strongly warned against this approach due to significant safety risks. This example illustrates the dangers of improper DIY repairs and the importance of professional diagnostics. Tesla's 2020 recall impacted 135,000 Model 3 vehicles from 2020 to 2023 due to DC-DC converter overheating issues. By 2025, most were repaired, but isolated cases resulted in lawsuits. One owner successfully received a $5,000 settlement for repeated failures. These cases underscore the critical need for thorough diagnosis and manufacturer-approved repairs over hasty fixes. These real-world examples demonstrate the importance of accurate diagnosis using tools like service mode and the potential risks associated with unauthorized DIY repairs. Always prioritize safety and consult professionals for complex electrical issues. Expert opinions reveal that a large percentage of 12-volt battery issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles are software-related. Tesla's chief engineer, Drew Baglino, has stated that software diagnostics have significantly reduced service calls for auxiliary systems by 50%. Looking ahead, future trends point toward more integrated diagnostics using artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance. There is also potential for eliminating the DC-DC converter altogether with advancements in solid-state battery technology. To stay informed, regularly check Tesla's software releases and service bulletins for the most current information on fixes and updates.